if you've got a 5,000 square foot brownstone, you should have a big kitchen. We turned this entire room back here into the kitchen. There used to be a wall that we knocked out, and you have cabinets on both sides with a large island here in the middle. When you've got a big kitchen like this, there's plenty of room for storage, wine refrigerator. We've got countertops on both sides, plus a big island in the middle. There's a double sink over here, a double sink in the islands. You've got your refrigerator, panel ready wood to match. On this side of the kitchen, we've got the appliances. This is a 48-inch Wolf cooktop with a 48-inch hood above. You've got a pot filler so that you can fill up your pots with water right on top of the stove. One nice feature that I like to do is putting slabs for a backsplash. These are two big pieces for the whole backsplash. There's just one seam in the middle that you barely see. You've got warming drawer on the bottom. You've got an oven, a steam oven, all here in the wall. This is a great little feature. And then at the end of the kitchen, a little banquette with more storage below.